damages may result. Brief reductions in visibility will also be possible with patchy flurries and light snow. The current time